It's all pretty good. Bit scabby this side on the bodywork, but it's okay. Not going to fall in, hopefully. Just have a little.
I'm wondering.
So there we go. I realise that wasn't an amazing film of underneath, but the good news is it's pretty bloody solid, actually. Obviously, this has thrown a load of grease out because it got hot, and I think it needs a bearing. But that's fairly good. Yes, there are some bodywork things to deal with, but I think mainly it's going to be a cosmetic job, and not a huge amount of actual mechanical restoration. So that's all good news.